We have a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and the problem we're having with this is the TPMS light is on, so we will be servicing TPMS. As you can see in the dash, let's see, TPMS service required. So either one of the sensors or more than one is not sending the correct air pressure signal, so we'll be checking on that. To test the TPMS sensors, we will be using this tool from Autel, Maxi TPMS TS408, and we also have some new TPMS sensors if we need to install them. Alright, so now on this tool we will have to select the vehicle we are working on. Let's see, so Mitsubishi. Alright, there it is. So in this case, Outlander Sport. And this one is a 2016. So let me check on the production date on the sticker. So the production date says January 2016. So in our case, this would be the best option right there, from 2010 to 21. So that's what we'll select. Alright, so we're going to start off with scanning all of our sensors. Okay, well, let's start here. Let's see if we get any response from the first sensor. And looks like there's no response. Actually, there is. So as you can see, it's registered 39.9 psi. So let's move on to the next, which is the passenger side front, or the right, front right. Let's try this one. So it looks like that one. Sometimes it could take a while. Okay, so I just read it. 39.4. Alright, so let's move to the rear. Right side, passenger side. Let's try this one. So as you can see, it could take up to 30 seconds to a minute to read the sensors. Okay, so I read that one. 41.6. So, well, let's see if there's. This is the last one. I think at least one of them does have a, well, I take that back. So all of them are reading, so we're gonna have to see why that TPMS, well, it looks like some tires are over inflated, so that could be the reason TPMS light is on. So let me check on that. So according to the label, each tire should only have 33 psi, and as you can see, we have 41, 42, 39, and 39. So let's try to adjust the pressure in the tire. All right. So what we end up doing, since all four sensors were good, but the computer was not able to read them, so we're trying to initiate the relearn process and program them into the computer. So there's the first one. Let's go to the passenger side. Okay, there's the second. Could take up to 30 seconds to a minute. All right, let's do the last one. Okay, so successfully registered. So let's see if that worked. No TPMS light and no service TPMS message. So I think we're good to go.